Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to elevate your ChatGPT prompting skills. If you're facing the challenge of structuring the conversation with the AI model, PromptVine can help you create effective prompts for ChatGPT, making the generated responses more accurate and contextually relevant. Here at Expedite, we tested PromptVine to assess its effectiveness in generating prompts for ChatGPT. To get started, open your Google Chrome browser and type in PromptVine.com on the address bar. To begin, press the Get Started button. If you're new, you can sign up with your valid email. If you already have an account, you can click Login here. In my case, I will continue to sign up and enter the required details. Once you're in, you'll be guided to PromptVine's dashboard. On the left-hand side, various categories are visible for selection. Feel free to opt for any category that aligns with your preferences. For me, I'll be selecting Education and Tutoring. Upon selecting a prompt category, a range of prompt suggestions will appear for you to choose from. You can click on the Share icon to share the prompt to any social media platform, or copy the link by clicking on the copy icon. I'll choose Act as an AI writing tutor and copy the prompt. Next, proceed to the ChatGPT website. Paste the prompt into the designated text box and press Enter key. You'll notice that ChatGPT gives a response based on the prompt you provided. There's also the option to filter prompts by profession. Click on the drop-down menu on the upper left and select Professions. You can see it provides options for different professions. I will choose Writer. Next, you'll see a selection of available prompts. I'll pick the Act as a Screenwriter prompt. Once again, I'll copy the prompt and paste it into the ChatGPT text box. Then press Enter to view the generated result. You can also modify the prompt as desired. I'll modify the prompt by clicking on the pencil icon. And press the Save and Submit button to generate a new result. If you want to submit a new prompt, simply click on Submit a New Prompt and enter the title of your prompt and the prompt itself into the designated text box. In my case, I will type in Act as Innovators and Product Developers as the title. I have the prompt ready, so I will copy it and paste it on the prompt text box. I will choose Science and Technology as the category of the prompt. Afterward, click on the Submit button. After submission, the prompt will be subjected to a review process. To monitor the status of the prompt's publication, visit the category you selected when creating the prompt, which in my case is Science and Technology. I will then refresh the page in this category to check the prompt status. If it's ready, it will be displayed on this page. And there you have it. PromptVine helps you come up with effective prompts for ChatGPT, adding a polished touch to AI-generated responses that blend perfectly with the ongoing conversation.